Yeah. I'm just a good wee cry. Happy tears though. Happy tears. Oh, my hormones all over the place. Happy tears. Definitely. Because guess who's arrived this morning? He's upstairs with me now. I'm sleeping away. Oh, Mummy's missed you. I'm so glad that he's up the stairs with me now. He said always checks, everything's fine, he's doing amazing. Just up here with me, just to monitor his feeds to make sure he's doing okay up here with me. But no, I'm so happy. Definitely happy tears. My hormones are all over the place still, as you can tell. But I wasn't expecting it. I was just getting ready to go down and see him. And then I got a knock at the door to say that he'd be up in 10 minutes. Oh, so relieved. And hopefully we'll be discharged tomorrow if he does alright with his feed tonight. I'm so happy. I'm just going to enjoy the day. I'm just going to enjoy my cuddles when he gets up for his bottle. About 12, he's due up. He had his bottle at 9. Look at his blue shawl. His nana got him that. Little prince. Yeah, that darling. You're my wee prince. Mummy loves you so much. So happy that you're here. Love you, wee man.